Hello. I started this journey a while back. I went out and bought a piano, a keyboard piano, because I liked the way it looked. And I couldn't play a lick. So I said, let me go and buy it. Then I went home and I started searching. I started searching for people who could teach me how to play. And I came upon Bethany and the Simplified piano, not knowing that I'm going to need it. I knew what I wanted, but this hit right at the cusp of the pandemic. And boy, did I need it. And guess what? She taught gospel music, songs that I recognized, songs that I could just sit there and learn how to play. I knew that I didn't have time for theory and things of that nature. So I said, let me try it. And boy, did it help. So I am going to do the goodness of God. I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercies never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire in darkest nights. You are close like no other. I've known you as a father. I've known you as a friend. I have lived in the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Oh, your goodness is running after me. And I will sing of the goodness of God.